Yes.
What do you think about?
You look good, bro. You look nice. Pretty.
Bro बोल दिया, क्या फायदा?
फिल्टर्ड मेरी फैमिली देखेगी.
हम दोनों भी तुम्हें रात भर सोने नहीं देंगे.
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
Hello, can I ask you one question? Yes, come this side, please. What is that one personality trait in men which is a huge turn off? You got the question?
Yes.
Like biggest red flag. Okay, आप खाते रहो, मेल्ट हो जाएगा. मैं बात करता रहूंगा. Okay.
I think when they stop being respectful,
मैनिपुलेशन. ट्रू मैनिपुलेशन.
But आपको समझेगा कैसे मैनिपुलेट कर रहा है? सेंस हो जाता है.
हाँ.
not being a gentleman,
Not being a gentleman, like rude.
opening doors, yeah, talking softly, not talking softly वगैरह.
Maybe joking around too much.
Not serious enough.
Not serious enough.
When they show the side of them that is respectful first in the beginning, and then they'll stop being that.
Palti.
Right.
Rude.
Rude. What about you?
Male ego.
Male ego. अरे वो तो हर किसी के पास होता है.
But don't show it in front of the पसंदीदा औरत.
I am sorry, बाबू.
समझ आता है कि वो कैसे ट्रीट कर रहा है आपको, या फिर उसके जो वर्ड्स है उसपे से समझ ही आता है. में एक भी बंदा नहीं है, फिर भी कैसे समझ आता है.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I have lots of male friends, so I know how they are.
Like not respecting others, like be it women or be it men. But like not respecting other people.
Efforts matter.
So one who takes everything very lightly. Like यार मैं तो नहीं कुछ करूँगा. ऐसा वाला नहीं.
ज्यादा बॉडी.
ज़्यादा?
बॉडी.
Over muscular.
हाँ.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
ये टर्न ऑफ कैसे हो? नहीं बड़ा अच्छा है. ये मैंने पहली बार सुना है. ये कुछ नया सुना है मैंने. It's okay. You wanted to talk
One
something?
more is one more is bad fashion sense.
Bad fashion sense.
Yes.
What do you think about?
You look good, bro. You look nice. Pretty.
Bro बोल दिया, क्या फायदा? इससे अच्छा तो गंदा दिखते हो बोल दो. What is the one which is a huge turn on then? Like green flag. Vice versa.
When they remember small details about me. Good fashion sense.
Good fashion sense. What about you?
Noticing small things exactly.
Paying attention.
Yeah. मतलब हर एक चीज याद रखना. हमने जो बोली है वो चीज याद रखना.
Respect, kind.
वही हो गया ना, आप opposite words बता रहे हो.
तो भी वही होता है ना.
कुछ तो अलग बताओ. Why are you single till now?
Yes, I am.
इसलिए नहीं पता. It's okay, no problem. कुछ नहीं, मेरे लिए अच्छा है.
Good fashion sense, good talking capability.
यार ये तो opposite words वाले बात कर रहे हो आप.
फिर उसका opposite ही होगा फिर. Like being a gentleman.
Height. अभी तुम्हारी इतनी है तो तुम तो देखोगे. मतलब क्या ही बोले अब. छोड़ो, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा इसमें. Are you twins?
No.
तो एक जैसा आंसर क्यों बता रहे हो? कुछ अलग बताओ.
क्योंकि सारे गर्ल्स ऑब्वियसली यही बताएंगे ना.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना, कुछ तो होगी ना वैरायटी.
See, I have no man in my life, but फिर भी पता है मुझे सारी चीजें. देखती हूँ मैं मेरे दोस्तों को तो है नहीं.
That was nice to hear that you have no man in your life. I'll think about it later. For my next question, I have a statement. You'll have to either accept it or disagree with me. But if you disagree, you have to give me the reasoning. Okay? A girl in a committed relationship should not have any male friends.
Not necessary.
So disagree.
Yes.
Why?
She can have male friends. Not necessary that she can't.
I think depends.
On what?
On how the male friend is. What are his intentions. और अगर वो childhood friends हो, आपके घर वालों को भी पता हो तो it's okay.
Totally disagree.
Why?
Why should she not have male friends? Like, it's completely okay.
Disagree.
Why?
Because why can't we have friends around if we are only friends? Disagree.
Disagree.
Yeah.
Reasoning.
Because of course, girls should have male friends. It's common, very common.
Disagree.
Why?
Because bro, she can have a best friend of her own who is like her brother. I have one. Yeah.
She has one. Like a brother.
Yeah.
कभी गई हो राखी बांधने?
My family knows about.
कभी गई हो राखी बांधने?
Yes. Gift भी दिया उसने.
ये आउट ऑफ सिलेबस हो गया. It's okay.
Agree.
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 ठीक है भाई. अच्छी लड़कियां मिल रही है यार. अच्छी लड़कियां एग्जिस्ट करती. What about you?
Disagree.
Why?
She can have male friends unless and until she is committed to that boy.
What about male best friend?
नहीं. I don't think. Disagree.
Yeah, you can have, but you shouldn't have been so attached that you can't leave him for the person you love.
I agree. A girl shouldn't have a male best friend.
I also agree with you.
Because eventually they fall in love.
Okay.
That depends.
On what?
If he's just like a friend, then it's okay. But if either of us has feelings for each other, then it's maybe not okay.
What about you? Should have or should not have male best friend?
Yes. Should have.
Like no problem. What if but the guy also has a female best friend? Will you be okay with it?
No.
Agree, maybe.
क्या होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए?
अगर वो लड़का is fine, then it's okay. नहीं तो फिर नहीं.
It depends on the character of that guy
Yes.
who is the best friend. But then what if a boy also has female best friend? चलेगा कभी?
Not.
ऐसे नहीं चलता दीदी, ऐसे नहीं चलता. So you disagree that it's okay.
Yeah, they can be good friends. She has her personal life, own life, other than the boyfriend.
What about you?
Yeah, even I disagree with the statement because, like, you can have your friends. It doesn't matter what gender they are. So, yeah.
I have pickup lines for both of you.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
But if you like it, you'll have to give me a follow. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay?
ठीक है.
No problem, na?
Yeah, sure.
Filtered or unfiltered?
Unfiltered. Filtered. मेरी फैमिली देखेगी. ठीक है. Unfiltered.
What's the similarity between you and a garden?
Pretty.
Both are giving me butterflies.
Oh. Yes.
Ice-cream dollar belt हो जाएगी.
अरे नहीं होगा.
Okay. What is your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Mango?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Mango.
Mango? Nice choice. But if you spend some time with me, it might be papaya.
Okay. Nice one. It was good.
You got it?
Nice.
You know, there is a scientific research which says that drug addiction is the worst kind of addiction. I used to think that it's true until I saw your smile.
It's very common. I'm not impressed.
Good one.
Simple, very simple question. Tell me, what is 1 plus 1?
2.
2, that's right. But I think you and me can make it 3. Can you pick up something which weighs more than 60 kgs?
No.
You don't have the strength for it?
No.
I was falling for you. But what's the similarity between college assignment submissions and me? नहीं पता? हम दोनों भी तुम्हें रात भर सोने नहीं देंगे. It was nice. What's your name?
Priya.
Hello Priya, I am Prathamesh. What's your name? Hello Aditi, I am Prathamesh. What's your name?
Medali.
Hello Mitali, I am Prathamesh. What's your name?
Tanvi.
Tanvi. Very difficult name, yaar. Can I just call you mine? What's your name?
Tanishka.
Hello Tanishka. That's a very difficult name, by the way. Do you have any nickname?
Tanu.
Tanu. Okay. But I can also call you mine, right?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Color mine, just mine.
What's your name?
I'm Aditi.
Sambhavi.
Shambhavi. It's a very difficult name, yaar. Can I just call you mine? What's your name?
ईश्वरी.
वो भी डिफिकल्टी नाम है पर एक लाइन हो गई मैं फिर से नहीं मारूंगा. What's your name?
अनुप्रिया.
Anupriya.
Yes.
That's a very difficult name. Yaar. Don't you have any nickname? Or can I just call you mine? What's your name?
Anaka.
Hello Anagha, I'm Prathamesh. Say hi to the camera once. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
आपका पेज बताओ.
Say hi to the camera once.
Hi.
Hi.
The page name is Chamdis.